If you are interested in blockchain technology, the chances are that you have at least once heard about Cardano, being one of the most popular cryptocurrencies of the last few years. What is Cardano, and how is it different from other cryptocurrencies out there? Who created it and what is its value proposition for its users and investors? This video will provide you with answers to those and more questions. Welcome to this Crypto Lab channel. Watch the full video to know more about ADA Cardano. Cardano has become one of the fastest growing blockchain assets in the entire cryptocurrency industry. ADA has been a top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization since it was released in 2015. Its technology is advancing at rapid speed and looks to take on the likes of Ethereum in building a massive blockchain ecosystem. Cardano distinguishes itself by using mathematical principles in its consensus mechanism and a unique multi-layer architecture. With a team that had a hand in the creation of Ethereum, many are convinced that Cardano is the next generation of cryptocurrency solutions. What is Cardano? Similar to other cryptocurrencies, Cardano is a digital coin that can be used to store value or send and receive funds. The ADA cryptocurrency runs on the Cardano blockchain, a first-of-its-kind decentralized network based completely on scientific and mathematical principles and designed by experts in cryptography and engineering. The Cardano blockchain can be used to build smart contracts and, in turn, create decentralized applications and protocols. In addition, the ability to send and receive funds instantly for minimal fees has many applications in the world of business and finance. Who created Cardano? In the early days of Ethereum, one of its co-founders, Charles Hoskinson, saw the need for a more standardized and scalable blockchain. With his mathematics background, Hoskinson began thinking about more scientific ways to build a blockchain. During this time, Hoskinson connected with a former co-worker at Ethereum, Jeremy Wood, who was looking to create a better blockchain and smart contracts platform. The two began to create Cardano as it exists today. Cardano has laid out 5 phases for its blockchain. Byron creates the foundational architecture of the network and tests the initial functionality so the network runs properly. Shelley launches the Cardano Manor and begins decentralization of the blockchain network. Goggin implements a smart contract platform, allowing for the function of building decentralized applications. Basho scaling solutions are to be implemented, allowing for blockchain optimization and improved performance. Voltaire introduces treasury and voting systems to create a self-sustaining network. Cardano supply. Cardano has a fixed monetary policy, meaning that there will only ever be 45 billion units created. Once that number is reached, no more Cardano crypto will ever be created. Having a deflationary model is not sufficient to guarantee a profit. Always do your own research regarding the project and only invest if you see value in it. Cardano sold 25,927,070,538 ADA during its initial sale, with the remaining approximately 19 billion ADA set to be released through the blockchain as rewards for mining blocks. The remaining ADA is being distributed in staking rewards through generated blocks on the Cardano blockchain. Since there is only a set number of ADA tokens that will be released, in theory, there will be an increasing demand for the coin. This deflationary monetary model is expected to create demand for ADA in the future, potentially increasing its price and bringing profit to investors. How to buy Cardano? You can quickly and easily buy Cardano on eToro with fiat currency in just a few easy steps. Sign up for an eToro account. Verify your account to ensure security. Deposit funds into eToro via wire transfer or bank deposit. Use the deposited funds to buy and sell ADA on eToro. On eToro, you can learn more about Cardano, see its price chart and engage in conversations with other investors. The platform provides you with excellent tools and information to help you make informed investment decisions. Is it too late to buy Cardano? Based solely on its technical indicators, observers could be forgiven for concluding that ADA really has hit a bottom. In particular, its relative strength index has fallen below 40 in the past day or so, signaling that it's oversold relative to previous movements this year. Similarly, ADA's 30-day moving average has remained decisively below its 200-day average for all of 2023, again signaling that a more positive correction is due sooner or later. That said, opinion is mixed as to whether ADA has finished suffering. For some analysts outside of its community, there's a chance of further falls, both in the shorter and longer term. Self-described value investor Mike Alfred remains decidedly bearish on ADA, recently repeating his prediction that it will eventually fall close to 6 cents or 5 cents. On the other hand, people within the Cardano ecosystem and community continue to affirm that ADA's fundamentals will eventually help push its price upwards, particularly when the market returns to more bullish conditions. There may be something to this claim, insofar as Cardano has enjoyed steady development and numerous updates over the course of 2023's bear market. Its ecosystem now boasts over 1,100 apps and projects building on its network, as well as more than 100 projects already launched. Final words. Interestingly, GitHub has repeatedly shown that Cardano tends to be the layer 1 blockchain, with the most day-by-day development activity in terms of commits and changes. Again, this reinforces the perception that Cardano is growing faster than its rivals and that ADA is currently undervalued. The thing is, despite being undervalued, it's still the 9th biggest coin in the market by the cap. It has reached this position despite having a total value locked in of only $51 million, which is only 2% of Ethereum's TVL. This suggests ADA could potentially have massive gains in store, particularly if Cardano manages to attract organic growth. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with new content. Your subscription, support, and feedback are much appreciated.